I have a concern. I want the council to tell us, as representatives of the people, and the people are supposed to do oversight, do we wait and leave the matters they have mentioned that they are ongoing in court until our term is over? And then what are we oversighting? Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you. Nyaribo, Little Majority Appel, Mose, also a member of Community Assembly for Magwawa Ward.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir. I stand also to echo my statement, Honorable Speaker. And this Swahili saying, Ugara muwe, lakini haki upe. The fact is, Honorable Speaker, when you talk about the institutional subsidy, that Honorable His Excellency the Governor discriminated some of the students not to benefit from the bursaries or the scholarship if they don't have from Nyamira. Honorable Speaker, I don't see any reason why we should execute or persecute the governor giving direction. The governor cannot, and I want to read this, cannot give somebody, a student coming from Kisii County, because Kisii County has the same with Kisii, Honorable Speaker. Even as of our members, let us be very genuine. In this, let us be very categorical. Honorable Speaker, I know when honorable members were given the bursaries forms to go and to issue to the students, they were specific. They were even going further asking for identification to understand where these people come from, their jurisdiction. What is wrong? Do you want at least the people of Nyamira to lack the benefit they are entitled to give other words? That's unfair. It has reason beyond the box. Honorable Speaker, with the bursaries, I don't see any reason why we should just crucify the governor of giving directives that only the Nyamirians can be benefits. That's the benefits. The beneficiaries. Honorable members, we are not working besides our counties. We are only working in our county. And if you want maybe your friend or your relative to benefit from Kisii, from Homa Bay, do a plan and a money from there. Let them come and do that one. For the bursaries, purely belongs to the county. And we have to protect the resources that comes to the county. We cannot go beyond. You are the same people practicing this one. You are the same people who advise the governor that we are not going to give anybody money who is coming outside our area of jurisdiction. Do you expect the government to give monies to people outside the area of jurisdiction in Nyamira? It cannot happen. Each county has its own kitty. It has equitable share. We don't share with any county where if you go shares and our own resources revenue. Number two, Honorable Speaker, about the court orders. I've never seen any court contempt issued to our government. That is a court matter. If there is any court contempt, I think the government should be in jail by now. And if they say the government is free, I don't see any reason why we should talk about what is lying in court. About the salary payments fraud, I know, and all I remember, you understand, we are not being paid in the county by the governor. The governor is not a CEC PSM. He's not a CEO who was overpaid. So the governor was charged and repaid the money. It's very correct. And it's a Christian to be paid. You know, let us call a spade right now. Let us talk the fact that the payment that the government received, repaid, was surcharged and repaid and has the pay slip. So we don't need at least to argue about the payment of overpayment of the salary that was repaid. And finally, employment. When we talk about employment, remember, I don't know, why do we repeat the same thing all the time? And you know, I'm surprised, huh? seeing this one happening today again. And I talked about this employment. You all remember. When we repeat the matters that was discussed, we discussed this thing. We decided that the governor is not an employing body. I know, Honorable Deputy Speaker, there's something like that. I know it's misleading. There also the people protecting me. I know he has a grant. He has a beef with the governor. And I know this time, you know, there are those who are not the speaker being enticed that you need to
limit yourself to
on the speaker. I know some other members here, they are enticed to get positions. Let me tell you, Honorable, it's going nowhere. We know this one on the speaker. You respect on the speaker. Allow me to say this. I know on a speaker, there are those who had promised. Let me tell you, honorable members, be contented to be an honorable member. You are chosen to be an honorable member, not a deputy governor. Forget that one. Forget that one. This is the matter that we dispensed, and we don't want it to recur. Why bring the same document?
That's going against the law, misleading the House.